back to my channel. This is where I share with you guys my 70-pound weight loss journey. I share with you all of my tips, tricks, and the easy and satisfying meals that help me get there. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this really delicious cauliflower mac and cheese. Now, cauliflower is one of my least favorite vegetables, but I am telling you, this is the best way to eat cauliflower, and this is a great way to get more vegetables, not only into yourself, but into your children if you have them. So first things first, it is officially the holiday season. So let's talk Black Friday sales and the most amazing holiday book bundle that you do not want to miss. So in this incredible vegan book bundle, you get over 200 books. It's almost a $9,000 value for $50. I have been looking through the book bundle and finding all of these amazing raw vegan books as well, because as many of you guys know, I'm currently eating raw for breakfast and lunch and then having a cooked dinner because I'm on a thyroid healing journey. So these raw books have been really fun for me to look through. There's weight loss books. There's so many books, guys. You really, even if you already have my book, don't miss out on this book bundle because you get so many books, so many resources for this amazing value. Okay, so if you are on your own weight loss journey, or you're thinking of starting one, or you're stuck and having a really hard time, now is the time to get our weight loss program, Eat More, Weigh Less. It is 80% off. This is the biggest sale that we have ever had. It was a tremendous amount of work for Hannah and I to put this together. She had her own 70-pound weight loss journey, as did I, and together we have lost 140 pounds, which is crazy. But we built this very comprehensive video course. It comes with over 70 videos where we explain in detail everything that you need to know to be successful on your own weight loss journey. We teach you guys how to arrange your plates, how to build your meals, and you get our detailed Lean for Life ebook that comes with over 100 recipes that are color-coded to help you all the way through your journey. You also get access to our private online support community should you choose to use it. This is my favorite part of the program because you can find support from other individuals on the same journey as you, especially if you are the only one in your home on this journey. It's really important to surround yourself with like-minded individuals to help keep you motivated and inspired while you're on your own transformative journey. So if it's something you've been on the fence about, now's the time to get it. Don't miss your chance for this incredible book bundle and your chance to get our Eat More, Weigh Less program 80% off. It'll all be linked for you guys below.
Okay, so I'm actually going to start off by steaming some potatoes in my Instapot. I like to serve this along with the cauliflower mac and cheese. So I'll show you guys how I pull those together at mealtime.
Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna be showing you footage that I had shot at the old house back in the spring before we started the whole move, but I already had the video shot, so I figured I might as well use it.
So this is super simple. I'm just gonna start by cutting up my cauliflower into these bite-sized pieces and then giving them a really good rinse. Then I'm going to take the basket of my air fryer. You can do this on a pan in the oven as well. I just think it crisps up really well in the air fryer, but it really does work in the oven as well. So I'm just going to spread this out on my basket here, and then I'm going to take some of this garlic salt that I'm obsessed with and season my cauliflower. And then I'm just going to pop it into my air fryer for about 25 minutes at 450 degrees. Okay, so once it is done cooking, I'm just going to put it into my casserole dish here. And then I'm going to take some of this hot cheese sauce that I already had made, and I'm just going to pour it over the cauliflower. And I will link the recipe for this cheese sauce in the description box below. So after I get that mixed in, I like to top it with a little bit of these gluten-free breadcrumbs that I just get at Kroger. And you can totally skip this part, but I love a little added crunch. I'm gonna add a little garlic salt, and then I'm gonna broil it in the oven for just a few minutes. Keep a close eye on it, it goes quick. So now that the potatoes are nice and done, I'm just gonna get them out of my Instapot. And I've quickly steamed up some chopped kale to put on top. So what we like to do in our house is open up our potatoes, and we like to add some of this oil-free hummus. I just find this at a store called Natural Grocers. It's my favorite. It's so creamy and delicious. So I just put some of this on top of the potatoes. And then I add some of my steamed kale, just like this. And then you know me, I have a hot sauce obsession. So today I'm going to add this one on top. So now the cauliflower mac is done browning up. Look how gorgeous that looks. And that's it, guys. You have this delicious low-calorie meal.
All right, guys, this is so good. You will not miss the pasta. Even my kids love it. Everybody in my house loves eating cauliflower, especially when it's made this way. It's so good. Especially the crispy crumbs on top. You coming in for some food?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys, well, that is it for me today. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post very frequently there. Remember to love yourselves and spread that love to somebody else. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.